Class 9 biology, we will see the structure of ovule and the process of fertilization. Ovule is present in ovary, we all know, that is surrounded by two protective coats, that is called integument. It is with a small opening, that is one end, it is called micropyle. Embryonic sac is present inside the ovule. Nucellus is the nutritive tissue that surrounds the embryonic sac inside the ovule. Embryonic sac contains that is 7, that is 3 plus 3 plus 1 cell, one egg cell, 2 synergid at micropylar end, and that is 3 antibodal cell at the opposite to the micropylar end, and one central cell will 2 polar nuclei when fuse and form secondary nucleus. That is the structure of ovule. Now move on to the process of fertilization. There is the fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. During this process, the pollen glands germinate as soon as they fall on the stigma of same variety of the plant. A stigma produces a sugary substance which helps the pollen to grow. A pollen tube grow out of the pollen grain. The generative nucleus divides into 2 male gamete nuclei. There is a pollen tube through the stigma and style reaches the embryo sac of the ovule. Soon the tube nucleus disintegrate actually. There is an ovule, one of the male nucleus sperm fuses with the egg nucleus, and the other sperm fuses with the 2 polar nuclei. Thus 2 fertilization takes place. This is known as double fertilization. The fusion of one of male gamete and 2 polar nuclei is termed as triple fusion. That is, then when the sperm fuses with the 2 polar nuclei, thus 2 fertilization takes place. That is, this is known as double fertilization. And the fusion of one of the male gamete and 2 polar nuclei when fertilizes, then it is called triple fusion. So what are the fate of plural parts of the fertilization? That ovary changes to fruit, ovary wall to fruit wall, ovules to seeds, petals, stamens, style and stigma wither and fall off, and the calyx may or may not remain. So this is actually the fate of floral structure after fertilization. So next day we will see different questions. So today up to that.